Taco Bell jumped onto the NFT bandwagon, and it was only a matter of time. You knew this was going to happen, Will. You heard the letters N and F and T a bunch of times. You smelt the hype, and you realized that a company like Taco Bell is
rubbing their hands.
They're never too far behind.
Yeah.
If they themselves smell some hype, they're getting there. They're taking the train to get there.
Oh, really? Okay. You mean the hype train?
There you go, Willie. I gave you an extra beat. I was like, wait a sec, Will, don't let me down over here.
I thought
man.
you were going to say
I was like, Will, don't let me down right now. Man, it's been a long day, 4:30. You got the coffee now, so the coffee should have boosted you back. Some of that Tim Hortons. Shout out Tim Hortons. We're still looking for that sponsorship, Tim Hortons. We're available. It's will@loulater.com. Don't miss out. This is a limited time opportunity. Anyway, so yeah, Taco Bell got involved, and they had some special perks to go with their animations that they were selling on the NFT marketplace, Rarible. They had 25 tokens sold out in 30 minutes, taco themed. 4 out of the 5 designs were animated GIFs, and these NFTs included real-world perks in the form of a $500 electronic Taco Bell gift card. That perk is only available to the original owner of the NFT. So that one's not getting transferred if you sell the NFT at a later date.
Oh.
The $500 worth of, that's a lot of Taco Bell, by the way, $500 of Taco Bell.
Yeah.
How long is that going to last you? That's going to last you quite a while, I would assume. What are you doing? Having Taco Bell party, Will?
10 hours.
Oh, my goodness gracious. All right. What would you get at Taco Bell, by the way, if you were... you already know. Okay, go ahead.
A fry supreme.
Fry supreme. They don't have that. They don't have that in the U.S. That's a Canada. Yeah. That's a Canada item. By the way, what this is, ladies and gentlemen, is essentially nachos supreme, which you can get. That's all the toppings on top of the nachos at Taco Bell, except for some reason in Canada and possibly other markets, they offer a fries supreme, which replaces the tortilla chip with fries. And it's kind of like a poutine. It must be the reason we have it here, because it kind of turns into like a Mexican poutine. If you got the cheese sauce and sour cream, tomato, and things like this. So Willie Doo's gonna buy 500 of those after he purchases the. Well, no, you can't. The NFTs are all gone. Never mind.